Lucia Chavez, professor of the University of Leuven, you have been given a grant of 250,000 for 3 years of the Stichting Alzheimer onderzoek. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How did you become a researcher?
Well, I guess curiosity was the main factor. When I was a child, I was very curious about natural phenomena. I was intrigued by different questions, for instance, how or why your skin gets darker when it's exposed to sunlight, or why a mosquito could walk on water. And I think studying sciences satisfied that curiosity.
And how did you arrive in Leuven?
Well, I did my PhD on proteases, and I was fascinated by this type of enzymes. I also got interested in membrane proteins, and I discovered that there were proteases working in the membrane, and one of the pioneer groups is the group of Bartes-Roper, and that motivated my application to that group, and my career started at that moment here.
Can you describe your research project?
This project investigates the very early phase of Alzheimer's disease. So it's proposed that amyloids trigger the disease, but how they do that is unclear. So we want to investigate this, how amyloid triggers Alzheimer's disease pathogenesis, and for that we will use the genetic form of the disease as a model. It's a unique model because it allows you to link the biology of amyloid with clinical onsets. So we will interrogate different amyloids that are associated with early, middle, or late Alzheimer's disease onset, and try to understand in experiments, cell-free and cell-based experiments, how they trigger pathogenesis.
What would be the best outcome?
I guess the best outcome that we could have is that the insights that are generated, the knowledge that is generated in this project helps or contributes for therapeutic development.
You are also a member of our scientific advisory board. How did the board reach the conclusion to fund your research project?
Well, every project is evaluated by the different members of the scientific board. They come from different universities in Belgium. And at the moment, my project is evaluated, or the project of any of us. There's a clear conflict of interest, so we go out of the room and the project is discussed based on the feedback that we get from external reviewers, and also the feedback from the board. And on that discussion, the decision is made.
We would like to congratulate you again and wish you a lot of success with your research project.
Thank you very much.